story tells that if you are going to swim around here, you should have a coin and you have to toast on where to go. So just like this one, you have your coin, you toast here, and after toasting your coin, toast yourself.
Assalamualaikum mga pagari. Welcome to the province of Lanao del Sur. For today's video, we will be visiting one of the hidden treasures and a tourist spot, the Butig's Nature's View or Sumpit. Also, we are very lucky because we are going to meet famous sleeping lady or the sleeping beauty. Currently, we are conditioning the car in preparation for a long travel ahead. We are in the municipality of Ramain, entering the municipality of Buadipuso-buntong. These are part of the first district of Lanao del Sur. And there you see the beautiful Sleeping Beauty. The Sleeping Beauty is actually a range of mountains that when you see it from afar, it looks like a woman lying on the ground. She has a long black hair and ample bosom. It's a silhouette of a woman. You can clearly see this amazing tourist attraction when you're in Marawi City, especially in the Mindanao State University, and also when you're in the neighboring municipalities, especially in the first district of Lanao del Sur. We are already here at Butig, Lanao del Sur. In front of us are the mountain trails that constitute the Sleeping Beauty. Mount Makaturing, one of the active volcanoes in the Philippines, is one of those mountains. Previously, Butig is inaccessible due to armed groups, but since a peace talk between the MILF and the government, it's 100% safe and secured to visit. Bulos ka no mga pagari? So, we are already here in Butig's Nature's View. The entrance is only 35 pesos for adults and free for the kids. Only 200 pesos for each small cottage like this. And 500 pesos for this one big cottage. If you want to rent the whole place, it will only cost you 7,000 pesos. Alright, so let's start the tour. So there is the small store where you can buy snacks and drinks.
Masako.
There's also a prayer room where you can do your timely religious obligations, and it is well maintained. There's also a separate comfort rooms for men and women. And there is a secluded area where you can spend your time enjoying the nature. Now let's go to the only big cottage here. Currently, we have a temperature of 23 degrees Celsius.
Pag-vlog ko. Hi. Hi.
And now let's explore the center area of this resort. But before that, let's go to the edge of the river. And you know guys, it's really nice to see this flowing water. Let's ask Khalil about this resort.
You might not know that if you are a first timer to go here, you should have coins with you when you are going on the water side. Stories tells that if you are going to swim around here, you should have a coin and you have to toast on where to go. So just like this one, you have your coin, you toast here, and after toasting your coin, toast yourself. I'm just joking around. So if you are hearing some stories that it is not good to go around here, you might hear it wrong, guys. So as I advise you guys, you just need to bring your friends, your folks, and your families and enjoy the beautiful nature of Lanao del Sur, Butig.
This is the center area of the resort. Actually, it's wide where people can play. On the right, you can find a big kitchen room. Inside it has a long table for food preparation and also 2 cooking areas. Let's proceed to the resort's name signage. So here you are. This is the resort signage where you can take your memory photos, where you can comfortably sit and have your selfie. Now let's walk this way, and there you go. We came back to where we started. Now it's time to go to the other side, which the I Love Butig is located. We have to walk on an elevated path. It's not slippery. The current of the water is not that strong, so it's safe and easy to walk and pass. Here it is, guys, where the I Love Butig is located. As what I observed, these are recycled bottled water. It's nice that the people who made this observe proper waste management through recycling. It is indeed nice to take a group photo here. Now let's go back to the other side and explore the heart selfie booth over there.
And this is the big heart.
Big heart.
It means people of Butig loves people who comes here.
Here it is, guys, the life-size heart-shaped selfie booth where you can have your memory selfie or groovy.
So guys, welcome back here. So we are going right now on the depth of this river. So what you are waiting for? Let's go!
There are also small cottages around here. And as what Khalil said, we are going to the depth of the river. Well, actually, we're going to a part of this resort where it's ideal to swim. It's not that rocky and the current is somewhat fast. The water is not that deep actually. I think it's only 6 feet high, especially in the center. And there you have it, guys. You can check my account on the Google Map, my review, also on how to get here. Thank you, and please subscribe.